commodity space, and Manisha Gupta is joining in. And today we are focusing on Bitcoins, and they are back at a multi-year high. Cannot not talk about Bitcoins now, Manisha, can we?
No, I must add over here, Manisha, if there's something that can beat our mid-cap and small-cap mania, it is the Bitcoin mania. So take it away, please.
All right. I also want to talk about the volatile moves that we've seen into this one. But let me start with the price point itself. So $64,000 is where we are trading in sense of Bitcoin. The prices surged through 60,000 and went to 64, and then we saw a huge profit taking. It came to 59, and right now it's trading between 62 to 63. Having said that, all dips are getting bought into. The all-time high for Bitcoin has been at 69,000, which was hit in November 2021. So we are not too far away from those kind of levels. The street actually anticipating that we could see that by this weekend itself, the way the prices have been moving up by 6 to 7% on a day-to-day basis. Bitcoin also is important because almost half of the overall crypto market cap comes in from Bitcoin. So the shareholding is at around nearly 57%. $1.5 trillion of market capital is what Bitcoin is commanding at this point in time. Well, we have seen prices gain up by 30% since Jan 11. That is when in the US markets you saw the Spot Bitcoin ETFs being launched. And in this year until now, 48% of gains is what Bitcoin already has given you. Interestingly, the 10 Spot ETF Bitcoins that are trading into the US markets right now are doing a cumulative combined volume of $7.7 billion. So there's a huge fund inflow that we've seen into these Spot ETFs as well. Interestingly, there have been various reports suggesting that Morgan Stanley perhaps is doing a due diligence in Spot Bitcoin ETF. So if you see these big Wall Street names also start to come in, you could be looking at a lot of support. Apart from that, there is a lot of institutional buying, a lot of FOMO buying as well, as the rally has been quite strong. And then apart from that, the Bitcoin halving event, which happens every 4 years, is going to happen in April this year. So ahead of that as well, there's a lot of buying that we've seen happen into this one.
Oh gosh, Manisha, I think everything really changed after that SEC approval for the ETF came in, right? And on the show that I do, Let's Talk Money, I can already forecast queries coming in saying, what is the Indian fund through which we can get into, a Bitcoin fund which is out there in the US. Hormaz, you had a point.
I was wondering in our website terminologies we use that, one Bitcoin now is 64,000, right? I was just calculating in INR, it comes up to around 53 lakh rupees. It's like in 53 lakh rupees you can buy so and so. I was wondering in 53 lakh rupees, how many PSUs can you buy? How many PSU stocks can you buy? Everybody wants a PSU ETF. Similarly, everybody wants a Bitcoin ETF.
No, absolutely. Really, really high flyer over there. Thank you, Manisha, very much. Very interesting move there and definitely catching everybody's attention. We'll take a very quick break on that note, come back on the other side, and we focus on Reliance. The big deal has happened. Reliance has clinched that mega deal in the entertainment industry, and the combination with Disney is now on the horizon. All the details coming up.